Hey gang, Puppy here. I'm using my original POV cam and I'm working here in the living room because it's a pain in the butt to move the POV cam out to the shop. And I want you to be able to see this, what I'm doing. And this camera there, where are you? See that one on the computer? No. Yeah, see this one right there on the computer? It's no good for show you what I'm working on and have you actually see it. It's great for across the room, but here is no good. Now this is a standard graver. It's a number 49. It's a wide flat. This device it's in, all the shiny, chromy looking parts I bought from Otto Fry in Oakland. I added these ball bearings and these ball bearings on this stanchion and this super high-tech JB weld. Okay, this is a graver sharpening device. You have angular adjustments in 2 dimensions. It was meant to ride like this and just the stone and the tip of your tool touching. I did not like that. But it was closest to what I wanted, which was this. Now, the way it works, see, is just barely. Well, there's 2 ways. I can adjust it down here, right, with this under it as a shim. Get it so it just barely touches and take my shim out. Right? Or I can take my shim after I've adjusted, put it under the stone, now the benefits here, I'm pretty sure you can see. The wheels hold the angle. True, you have to keep on adjusting the length of the tool protruding from the device. But then I think I solved that by set it so it just barely touches right on the shim. Then you take the shim away. And you can see that it's just right now getting just a oval in the middle towards the tip of that primary angle on this graver. If you can see, I've got a secondary angle behind that primary cutting angle. Anyway, for those of you who are using gravers and you don't like the little 2-wheel, stick the graver through the 2-wheel thing, because either your graver's too short or too long, or your angle goes from that nice 45 to -5. Yeah, holds the angle. I can do this all night. The worst thing I'll do is exercise my right arm. And slowly, ever so slowly. You hear that? It hit the stone. No matter how hard I bear down on it, the angle won't change. But look, my flat spot is growing. Yes, it is. Prove it to you. Yeah, here we are. About the last thing these are good for. That and writing IDIOT on your apprentice's forehead. And now, see? Ball bearings, I take them out of stuff I take apart all the time. JB Weld, that's cheap. Nut, bolt, a couple more nuts, more JB Weld. But I think this right here says it. And that's almost a black polish with just a hard Arkansas. Not a particularly expensive one. I bought it from Brookstone when I was 13. Yeah. Me and this baby, we've been halfway around the world. So anyway, if you're using jeweler's gravers and you don't like the two-wheel clamp down on your graver and run it along your stone, and you don't want to do it by hand, this may help you. Oh, and why am I doing this on the POV cam and not this? My new camera. I've got a couple of clips that I took with this of that going back and forth, and you can see the difference in the clarity, and I wanted you to see. So, good night, people. That capture? Yeah.